we're off on another adventure, this time to get something new. Swipe my credit card for identification. Maybe it's not going to work. It doesn't give me any feedback. It says that it's searching, or that I've been found. I could be out here all day, just wondering. Oh, here we go. Hey! Wow! It's over 5 minutes, I get a $5 coupon. Dirty truck. Oh, wait a minute, you guys are picking it up like that? Wow. Oh, laying it down. I'm not sure there's room to lay it down in there.
Maybe not. Here, you just got to tailgate, we can always flip it up.
Okay. You're going to have to let me get up in there.
All right, here we go.
Oh, that's much better. I'm feeling better already. Well,
all right, sir. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, guys. Merry Christmas to you.
I like your bumper sticker over there.
Thank you, sir. New toolbox, one that's narrow enough for the studio downstairs. I am strong. These cabinets for over $500, and I've been watching Craigslist hoping to get one used for about $250, and I just can't seem to snag one. They had these on sale for $339. It's been on sale for a few weeks, so we decided to snag one for the little studio downstairs. Let's get the keys and get it opened up and get the wheels on it. I wonder if it'll smell like a new car inside. No, but it does smell good. Ball bearing slides. A little bit of resistance there, like a clutch or a brake. I only wish that it was arranged differently with the little drawers on that side and the big drawers on this side. There's some possibility I could change this, but this will be good. So imagine the wheels. There we go. Oh, look. Rubber piece for the top. I think I'm going to make a wooden top for it. Let that begin to flatten out. Plan on having a little vise, a little area to work on, so I'll probably replace this with wood. Check out these wheels. Yep. Stainless caps. Wow. Brakes. And fasteners. No, oh, there are nuts. Dag on it. I was hoping there was threaded inserts in the base. We've got to remove these drawers to put the nuts on the inside. This little lever here allows you to undo the catch and slide the drawer apart. See that? Do the one on the bottom. There we go. Yeah, we got gray parts over here and green parts over here. We'll have to look at that closely. Huh. On the left, it's got a push button instead of this lever. Kind of interesting. Just like that. Such a nice toolbox. The 41 inches of this box. This may come out above the countertop. If it doesn't, I'll have to remove it. So that's it. I'm not buying any more toolboxes that don't have ball bearing slides. The value of any kit that you have, whether it's an index of drills or a portable hand tool kit like this, is that it's complete at all times. If I were to lose a socket, I would buy a new one immediately. This is a Husky kit. I think I purchased this out on the road one time when I got caught with some kind of mechanical failure and couldn't fix the vehicle, so I had to go buy some tools. So I always keep this complete and in my truck. This is my truck tool set. Time to right this bad boy. Might be a little tough with the wheels. What a wonderful portable work center a BOTT toolbox makes. Can't wait to get it installed. Get ready for another luxury liner toolbox upgrade. What do we got here? 2, 4, 6, 10 drawers. I'll end up cutting a piece of plywood to fit here, probably mounting a small vise on it for little projects down in the office workshop. So I've wanted one of these ever since I bought a large Craftsman top toolbox. And over the years, over many years, they've upgraded them. Now they're ball bearing, and I finally got one. But funny thing is, I'm not going to put my top toolbox on it. It's going to stay in the garage, and this is going to go in my office in the basement. Workshop chic in the indoor studio. What about this? Oh, wrong color.